started out this race on December 6th talking about experience and qualifications. And we will finish this race talking about experience and qualifications. Talking about the qualification that I'm the only candidate in this race who is an elected prosecutor. I'm the only candidate in this race who has run an office. I'm the only candidate in this race that has conceived and implemented programs and successfully innovated in law enforcement and made us more efficient, handling ever-growing caseloads with the same amount of staff we had when I started, and frankly, when I started in the district attorney's office. We haven't grown. In fact, we've gotten smaller, and we handle more cases every year. We don't do that through luck. We do it through hard work, thought, planning, and innovation. I'm the only candidate who's fought to be tough on crime, but also be smart on crime. There aren't many district attorneys in this Commonwealth who have spent more time talking about how to keep people out of jail. And as you know, I'm a great believer in justice, mercy when it's appropriate, and being smart on crime. I'm also a believer that when the time comes, we have to stop all that nice talk and lock the bad guys up when it's the only answer. I have the experience doing both things. And finally, I'm the only candidate in this race who has had to put his name on the bottom line, charging people with serious crimes, signing a document saying that if we convict this person of first-degree murder, we will seek the death penalty. And nobody else in this race has done that. The Office of Attorney General of Pennsylvania, the job of Attorney General of Pennsylvania, the Chief Law Enforcement Officer of the Commonwealth, the Chief Lawyer of the Commonwealth, is not a job for someone who lacks training and experience. It's a job for someone who's experienced and qualified, for somebody who has achieved what I've achieved in my career and has the kind of background that I have. And that's why I'm running. What I have done at the county level in getting people to work together, not chasing glory, chasing the result, getting the case in the right place for success, we will do at the state level. The drug dealers will not know what hit them when we get into the Attorney General's office. Now, as Attorney General, I'll protect our rights. I will stand up against unconstitutional federal power grabs like Obamacare, like unreasonable EPA regulation. This is the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. This is the home of the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. We take those rights very seriously, and we're going to stand up to that federal government. And finally, you can count on me to protect the taxpayers. It's what we've always done in Cumberland County. Some of you who work with me in the courthouse have heard me lament from time to time how conservative we really are here. But you know what? It's a great thing. It's taught us how to be efficient and be smart. And we think every day and understand and remember every day that we are stewards of the taxpayers' funds. As Attorney General, I know that the resources will not increase, but I know how to deal with that. I know how to deal with decreased resources and increased problems. And it's thought, planning, and efficiency. I've done it in my office. I'll do it at the state level. Some of the proudest moments of my life have been when I've been able to stand up in a courtroom and say, I am David Freed. I represent the Commonwealth. Thank you very much.